Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Hint. In this video, we are going to talk about aggregation operators in Prometheus query language. So in Prometheus query language, there are two types of operators. Firstly, binary operator and second one, aggregation operators. So in my previous video where I have explained what is binary operators with example. So if you don't know, then you can check my previous video. And now in this video, we are going to talk about aggregation operators with example. So let's start. So firstly, what is aggregation operator? So aggregation operator calculate mathematical values over a time range. So Prometheus supports the following built-in aggregation operators. So first sum, calculate sum over dimensional, means select minimum over dimensional, then max, average, group, then standard deviation, then standard variance, count, etc. So now let's understand one by one with example. So firstly, open your favorite browser and open Prometheus. So you can see here, I have already installed Prometheus. Now we are going to run our favorite expression, that Prometheus HTTP request total. Now you can see the result. Now let's understand the first sum, that means calculate sum over dimension. So for now, the sum of these sample values, we can use sum operator like this. Here, simply enter sum and in bracket enter your expression and now execute. So on execution, you can see here, on execution, it has added every sample value for Prometheus HTTP request. Here you can see the sum. Now we can also run this sum operator for extended capabilities. So if you want to sum a time series based on label, so here you can use by operator, sorry, by keyword, and in bracket code, that means label code. So you can see this expression sum the series by groups. Here you can see 200, then 302. So now that is sum operator. Then the next is max operator. So for max operator, expression node hyphen CPU seconds total. Now max operator returns the number of seconds that CPU has spent at maximum time. So for now, here enter max and in bracket that your expression. So now click on execute. On execution, here you can see the max operator returns the max operator returns the number of seconds that CPU has spent at maximum. So you can see. Then same for minimum, that means mean, and it return less time that CPU spends less time. So here you can see the less time is 0. So now then let's count operator. So count, if you want to count the number of vector, then you can use count variable. So if you run here count, you can see a aggregation operator, though and execute. Then here you can see the value is 8. That means the count, if you want to count the number of vector, then you can use count operator. Now we are going to, let's understand top k aggregation operator, that means largest k element by sample value. So here firstly run this CPU node CPU seconds total expression. Then now here we are going to run that top k operation operator. So it is written sum of seconds seconds that CPU spends. So now if you want to get top 3 modes in which CPU is spending its most of the time, then firstly here enter sum and in bracket that our expression, and then by and in bracket mode. Now click on execute. So here you can see groups successfully. Here you can see mode idle, then nice and all, etc. Then here for top K, so you can see enter top K and here bracket and close here. And here you have to assign the number, that means 3, and now click on execute. So here you can see we got 3 time series with the different modes. Here you can see that means the top K, that means top different series with the different mode. So the next is bottom K. So same like top K, we can find which CPU spends less time by using bottom K. So here if you enter bottom K, so here you can see we got 3 output which CPU spends less time. So that's the bottom K. So that's the aggregation operators. So in this video, we have learned aggregation operators in Prometheus query language. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.